My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. Today I am going to be doing a much requested video. I'm going to be showing you my skin regimen for morning time. So yeah, a lot of y'all have asked me, I can't believe that you're 51. How do you keep your skin looking so young? So, I don't know if this is what it is that keeps my skin looking as young as it does. I guess it looks young. I don't know if many of y'all are saying that I do for 51. But I've always looked younger than what I have been. I like it now, but when I was younger, when I was like 10 and people thought I was 8, I hated it. And then, because you're always wanting to look older when you're younger. And then when I turned 15, people thinking I was 12 or 10, I was like, no, I'm 15. And then when you turn 18, you're an adult, and people are still thinking you're 15 or 16. It's like, When I started appreciating it was when I turned 30 or 31, and people still thought I was in my early 20s. I was like, yes! And now I really appreciate it at 51 years old. I really appreciate that people think that I'm still in my 30s or my late 20s, so that's awesome. But that's kind of crazy because I have a son that's 30 and a daughter that's 24, so I'm glad I kind of still look like I'm in their age group. Glad I'm wiser than 20 or 30 though. That comes with time. But anyway, a lot of y'all have asked me how I stay looking so young, and I don't know if this is, I'm sure everything that I do has something to contribute to it, but I think it's genetics more than anything, because my whole family pretty much has been told that they look young for their age as well. So yeah, but I can see that I'm starting to get old now. I can see looser skin, I can see fine lines, but hey, I'm 51. So anyway, a lot of y'all have asked me what I do to keep myself looking so young, and I'm just going to show you my morning skin regimen routine that I do in the mornings, and I do a very similar thing at nighttime as well, just a couple steps different, but yeah, I'll go ahead and show you my morning routine for my skin. I've already brushed my teeth. I haven't done anything to my hair, obviously. I just got out of bed and brushed my teeth and thought, hey, I need to get started. So I thought, instead of just doing it, I thought, let me turn the camera on, because they've been asking me for this for about a year now since I started this channel. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to show you what I do. Right now I'm kind of slouched down. I hope that when I stand up to do what I need to do, that I'm sure you're going to be seeing the back of me and everything lit up, so I apologize for that, but just look that way and you'll see what I'm doing to my face. Alrighty guys, I hope this helps y'all. Okay, so I'm in my pajamas still, so please don't mind me. I'm wearing Scooby-Doo. Alright, I'll try to cover up here with my hair. So I want to show you the tool that I use. I got it at Walmart. It was like $30. They had a lower end, a higher end, and I got the middle grade one. And it's a 3-speed. I don't know the full name of it is, but you'll see these everywhere. It comes with a little brush, and it comes with this little foamy looking little attachment as well. It's called Pro X. Let me see if the camera will focus on that. It's called Pro X. Here's the little spongy thing that it comes with. Here's the little brush thing that it comes with. And so what I do is I've been using this because when I first started my channel, if you see my introductory video, I was saying that my skin was getting dry and kind of just like right in here, my skin was getting very, very dry. So I thought, you know, let me do some research and see what I can do about it. I'm doing the same things that I've always done. Why is my skin getting so dry? Well, I'm getting older. Skin's getting older. But this keeps my skin so baby smooth. So you guys got to go try it. Any of y'all that are my age or are experiencing dry skin, even if you're younger, it's never too late to start a good skin regimen. So what I do is, when you buy this kit, like I said, it comes with those 2 attachments, and it comes with a little starter, the products. It's by Olay. Okay, so that's the product. It's by Olay. All right, yay. I'm glad I figured that out. So it's Olay Professional Pro X is the name of the tool. And it comes with, I don't know if the camera, is it showing it? I don't know. It's probably focusing on me and not on this. Let me get this close to the camera and I'll show you. Okay, so this is the actual cleanser that you use, and it's just a little sample, so it doesn't last very long. As a matter of fact, I ran out and I'm using something completely different, but this is what it comes with. It comes with this, and you're supposed to use this on a daily basis, and then it comes with this, like, I think it's called thermal crystal, and you put this on the little foam attachment that I showed you earlier, and you put it on your skin and you can feel the heat. It's awesome. So yeah, I've run out of this already, so I bought a different Olay product. Let me see if I can find it. This is what I actually use with it now. So here it is. I don't know if you can read the name. Olay Regenerist Advanced Anti-Aging Regenerating Cream Cleanser, and it has little crystals in it, so I love this. So I still stuck with the Olay product, but this is all gone, so I'm going to be using this today. But like I said, when you get your little kit, it comes with both of these things. I still have some of this, so I might do this as well just to show you. Usually I don't do both things. Usually I do the cleanser with the little brush on a daily basis in the morning and at night. But I usually only do this with the little thermal crystal thing and the little foam thingy. I usually only do that once a week because you don't need to do this every day. It probably would be too harsh for your skin. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started. And I'm going to get started with the cleansing first. So I'm going to use the little brush attachment. Okay, and it's really easy. You just click it on there and that's it. And usually, actually, I'm going to pop it off. I usually like to start off with hot water. Not hot, but, you know, hot to open up my pores. And what I do is I get the brush wet before I put it on the tool. And then I put it on the tool. And now it won't go on. Okay, there it is. Okay. But I'm going to go ahead and scoop down, and I'm going to wet my face. Make it kind of hottish warm to open up my pores. So loud, isn't it? Sorry. Okay, it's hot. And I like to do this for a while because I want to make sure that my pores are fully open. And sometimes I just scoop up the water and hold it on my face to make sure that the pores are staying open. Okay, all right, so that's good enough. Ah, my hair's all wet. I usually pull my hair back. All right, so that's that. And I've already gotten this wet. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it on the actual brush. And I use a generous amount. I use about that much. Alright, so now that my pores are open, it's got a little button here to turn it on. And this button on the bottom actually, let me see if I can show you. This button actually turns it on. And this button right here has three settings. The first setting is low, and then medium, and then high. And I usually use the high setting. So I'm going to turn it on. And you really don't need to move it a whole lot because it spins, so it does what it's supposed to do on its own. I just move it back and forth to get it to the areas that I want. But you don't need to go in a circular motion because it's already doing its circular thing on its own. And you have no idea how soft this makes your skin. After the very first time, it makes your skin so baby soft. I love it. And I love that it's kind of massaging your face at the same time. So us who are getting older our skin starts to droop. So this is a nice little massage to keep our skin firm and tight. So I go a little low just because I want my skin to stay nice and firm. So I usually do it longer than this, but I don't want this to be too long of a video. So I'm going to actually add more for the second side of my face. My face is starting to get dry. Because I'm talking. I usually don't talk. I usually just do this. All right. I even do my lips to exfoliate my lips. And make sure you get all in the crevices, the side crevices of my nose. I close my eyes because sometimes the product will spew out and I don't want it to go in my eyes. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it, and you can actually feel like little crystals on your face. So with the product having crystals and with the brush as well, you can really feel that it's exfoliating. And look at how dirty the brush is, and I promise you I actually did wash my face last night, but this really helps. So rinse this off. But we don't realize that even just sleeping at night, our face gets dirty, because look, now it's nice and clean. So I'm going to rinse this off with lukewarm water. I'll probably fast forward some of this video so it's not too boring and long. Get my hair out of my way. Oh, that's too hot. Okay. I really should put my headband on. So make sure you get all the product off. Alright, so right now that my face is nice and wet, I'm going to do the other step that I normally don't do. Let me wet the foam. Okay, so I've got the foam wet. I'm going to put that attachment on now. And I'm going to use some of this thermal crystal stuff, since I haven't done it in about a week and a half, so it's about time to do it. I'm going to squirt some of that on and do the same thing. And this feels so nice. It feels so nice and warm. Ooh, yeah, it feels a little hot, but not too hot, but it feels so good. You can feel that it's doing something good to your skin. It's buffing your skin after you cleanse it. When you rinse this off, it feels very crystallized. Way more than the cleanser does. So yeah. Okay, so now that I'm all wet everywhere, I actually like that it drips down onto my décolletage here. Or is that what it's called? Décolletage, something like that. Because then, once my hands are still wet, my face is still wet, I like to use my moisturizer. And this is Natural Advantage by Jane Seymour Daily Moisturizer. So I just use that while my face is wet, so that it kind of like absorbs the moisture of the water and the moisture of the moisturizer as well. that's pretty much it. That's my routine. And I will probably just say goodbye now. But yeah, this is what I do. I've been meaning to make this video for like a year now because everyone keeps asking me, how do you stay looking so young? What's your secret? And this might be one of the secrets, but it's not really a secret. You see these little tools on TV and in magazines all the time, and I just started using it, oh, let me see, maybe 8 or 9 months ago, but I totally notice a difference. It's awesome. I love it. And then once this dries, I start with my makeup. So, alrighty guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you for joining me in my master bedroom RV bathroom. This is an RV, so everything is small and compact. My bed is right there, but I happen to have a sink with all kinds of goodies up here, cabinets and stuff, and cabinets down there, and my husband uses the second bathroom, the main bathroom, out in the main RV. But this is my sink, so yes, I get to keep all my stuff here, so this is awesome. But anyway, I hope this helped, y'all. Go out and try this. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. The 30, I know that the cheapest one is probably like 20. This one was like 30 or 35, and then they have one that's like 50 or 60 dollars. That one might be even better, I don't know, but this one, I love it. It does the trick at $30. It's worth the $30. I know that that's a lot to some of us, but it's worth it to keep your skin looking good because you only have one skin. So we need to keep it looking good. Alrighty guys, I love you so much. Let me know down below if you've tried this, or if you go out and purchase it, let me know how you like it. Alrighty guys, I love you, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye! Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.